Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Honey browser extension for better online affiliate deals, complete guide step by step clearly. To install the Honey browser extension, start by opening your preferred web browser. Visit the official Honey website at joinhoney.com. Locate the Get Honey button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on that button to be directed to the extension installation page. Choose the appropriate browser extension for your specific web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. If using Google Chrome, you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Click the Add to Chrome button on the right side of the page. A pop-up window will appear, detailing the permissions that the extension requires. Review the permissions and click Add Extension to confirm the installation. The extension will begin downloading and will be installed automatically. Once the installation is complete, you will see the Honey icon appear in the upper right corner of your browser. Click on the Honey icon to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your account, providing your email and creating a password if necessary. After logging in, Honey may prompt you to enable notifications for deals and offers. Choose to enable notifications for the best experience. You're now ready to start using Honey for finding better online affiliate deals. When shopping online, look for the Honey icon to see if there are deals available. Click on the icon while on a shopping website to automatically apply coupon codes at checkout. Explore additional features like price history and drop list to maximize your savings. Enjoy browsing and saving money with the Honey browser extension. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.